These smart kitchen gadgets make everyday cooking easier. But number 22 feels like technology from the future. Cook with precision anywhere using the SMEG 1800W portable induction cooker. Featuring 9 power levels, a boost mode, intuitive touch controls, and a temperature probe, it delivers fast, efficient cooking in a compact design. Perfect for RVs, travel, small kitchens, or as an extra burner, it combines premium performance with Smeg's signature style. Take the hassle out of dishwashing with the Airmson large slim countertop dishwasher. Its spacious 2-level rack fits more dishes, while the built-in 5-liter water tank means no plumbing or hookup is required. Featuring powerful 3-spray arm cleaning, multiple wash programs, and a convenient 12-hour delay start, it delivers sparkling clean dishes with minimal effort. Perfect for apartments, RVs, offices, and compact kitchens. Organize your kitchen in style with the Allspice Spice Rack Organizer. Crafted from beautiful walnut-stained wood, it includes 30 glass spice jars and 525 pre-printed labels to keep every seasoning neatly arranged. Designed for countertop or wall mounting, it combines elegant storage with easy access, making every meal prep faster and more enjoyable. Create cafe-style drinks at home with the Instant Pot 4-in-1 milk frother. It effortlessly makes hot or cold foam, steams milk, and warms it to perfection for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. With one-touch operation and a sleek, compact design, it's the perfect addition to every coffee lover's kitchen. Serve like a pro with this 2-piece garnish tray condiment caddy. Featuring 6 removable compartments, chilled storage, and included tongs and forks, it keeps fruits, toppings, sauces, and garnishes fresh and organized. Perfect for home bars, parties, salad stations, or restaurants, it makes serving clean, convenient, and effortlessly stylish. Bring the steakhouse experience home with the Artestia Steak Stone Set. Featuring 2 premium volcanic lava stones and elegant bamboo trays, it lets you cook steak, seafood, and vegetables right at the table. Enjoy sizzling, perfectly cooked bites exactly the way you like them, while adding a fun, interactive touch to every meal. Keep your essentials perfectly chilled or warmed with the Kulialai Mini Fridge. This compact 4-liter portable cooler holds up to 6 cans and is ideal for drinks, snacks, skincare, and makeup. With AC, DC, and USB power options, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, dorms, road trips, or anywhere convenience matters. Make measuring easier with the Polygon's 3-in-1 folding measuring spoons. 2 innovative magnetic spoons fold into 6 precise sizes, saving space without sacrificing accuracy. Built with durable DuraBend technology for over 100,000 folds and designed to prevent spills with both wet and dry ingredients, they're a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Bring authentic smoky flavor to every meal with the Haka electric smoker oven. This versatile 3-in-1 countertop smoker, barbecue grill, and oven features 2 cooking layers and a convenient wood chip loader for rich, delicious results. Perfect for smoking pastrami, sausage, bacon, chicken, and pork with consistent, effortless performance indoors or outdoors. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks without watered-down flavor with Kalia Whiskey Stones. These reusable stainless steel chilling cubes cool whiskey, bourbon, scotch, beer, and more in minutes while preserving every sip. Durable, easy to clean, and beautifully packaged, they make a thoughtful gift for dads, husbands, boyfriends, and any whiskey lover. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nanfang Brothers 7-piece Damascus knife set. Featuring ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic ABS handles, it delivers precision, comfort, and durability for every cut. This complete set includes essential knives, kitchen shears, and a stylish block for organized storage. Perfect for both home cooks and pros, it makes food prep faster and easier. All this premium quality for just $85. Cook smarter with the comfy 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This versatile 3-quart multi-cooker handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, and warming with ease. Featuring a natural ceramic-coated nonstick pot, it delivers healthy, delicious meals, perfect for small kitchens and everyday convenience. Slice like a pro with the Gramercy adjustable mandolin food slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, it also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep. Measure ingredients effortlessly with the 4-in-1 adjustable measuring cup. This multifunctional cup features a scraper-style seal base, push-up design, and space-saving, easy-to-clean construction. Perfect for cooking and baking. No waste, precise, and convenient every time. Upgrade your mornings with the Inspirex Touch Screen Smart Toaster. Just $79.99. Enjoy effortless toasting with 8 bread types, 7 browning levels, and a sleek digital display. Automatic lowering, raising, and countdown timing make every slice perfect. Stylish stainless steel design meets smart convenience in one compact appliance. Enjoy pure, safe drinking water with the Ageri UV Reverse Osmosis Countertop System. Just $260. Featuring advanced 5-stage RO filtration with UV purification, it removes impurities while saving water with a 5-to-1 efficiency ratio. No plumbing needed and compact in design. It's the perfect hassle-free solution for clean, fresh water at home. Cook smarter and faster with the Martha Stewart French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. $300. This 34 cutie powerhouse features 12-in-1 cooking modes, letting you bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and air fry with ease. It fits a 12-inch pizza, includes 5 versatile accessories, and delivers crispy, even results with countertop convection technology. Stylish stainless steel in linen white completes your modern kitchen upgrade. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with the Rubbermaid Brilliance 16-cup airtight container. Designed to lock in freshness, it's perfect for storing flour, sugar, and dry foods. Crystal clear design lets you see contents at a glance, while the secure lid prevents spills. Smart, clean storage made easy. Create cafe-style drinks at home with the AmsChef 8-in-1 milk frother steamer, just $80. With 550W power and a 21-ounce capacity, it effortlessly makes hot or cold froth, warms milk, and even prepares baby food. Its sleek stainless steel design delivers smooth, creamy results for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate every time. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Open cans effortlessly with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Just press a button for smooth, hands-free operation that leaves safe, clean edges. Battery-operated and easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen tool for quick, hassle-free cooking. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Coviet 25-in-1 bread maker, just $119. Featuring an automatic dual dispenser and multiple settings for gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, and more, it delivers perfect results every time. With a 2 lb capacity and sleek stainless steel design, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious, bakery-quality creations at home. Upgrade your hygiene with the Secura 17-ounce automatic liquid soap dispenser. This touchless, battery-operated design delivers clean, contact-free dispensing every time. With an adjustable volume control dial, you can customize the perfect amount of soap for any use. Stylish chrome finish adds a modern touch to any sink. At just $26.99, it's a smart, hygienic upgrade for your home. Simplify cooking with the Utensil Stir, the unique automatic pan stirrer. It stirs sauces, soups, and stews evenly, freeing your hands for multitasking. Featuring an LED speed indicator, it's perfect for precise, effortless cooking, making meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Keep drinks perfectly chilled with the Bodega Cooler commercial back bar refrigerator. With 3 glass doors, 20.5 CUFT capacity, and a sleek SUS 304 stainless steel exterior, it stores beer, soda, and wine efficiently. LED display and durable design make it ideal for bars, restaurants, or home use. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the Utopia Storemore bakeware rack. Featuring adjustable steel dividers, it neatly stores pans and lids for easy access. Compact, customizable, and perfect for clutter-free cabinets. Slice homemade bread perfectly every time with this bamboo bread slicer, just $40. Adjustable width guides help you cut even, consistent slices with ease, while the compact design saves space in your kitchen. Durable, eco-friendly, and simple to use, it's the perfect tool for fresh, bakery-style results at home. Store your spices in style with the HTB Bamboo Salt Cellar. Featuring a swivel magnetic lid for easy one-handed access and a mini spoon for precise use. Perfect for salt, pepper, or spices, compact, elegant, and ideal for everyday kitchen use. Quickly slice fruits with the Fire Kylan Banana Slicer. Made with durable ABS and stainless steel, it easily cuts bananas, strawberries, grapes, and more. Comes in a 2-piece set, perfect for salads, snacks, and effortless kitchen prep. Serve in style with this 3-tier home bar serving cart. On smooth rolling wheels, it's perfect for drinks, snacks, or kitchen essentials. Sleek chrome design makes it ideal for your kitchen, dining room, living room, or parties, functional and stylish in one. Make breading and frying easy with the Cook with Color collapsible batter bowl. Perfect for fried fish, chicken, wings, onion rings, and more. Mess-free design, collapsible for easy storage, and convenient for quick, tasty meals every time. Grill anywhere with the Techwood electric barbecue grill. This 1600W indoor-outdoor grill features adjustable heat, a double-layer design, and a removable stand for easy use. With a drip tray and dust cover included, it's perfect for parties, patios, and backyard cooking. Make fresh, healthy yogurt at home with the Bear Yogurt Maker, just $69. This smart machine features timer control, a stainless steel inner pot, and a built-in strainer for perfect Greek yogurt every time. With 2 glass jars included, you can also create cheese and fruit wine easily. Simple, natural, and delicious. Enjoy your favorite drinks with ease using this 3L electric kettle beverage dispenser. Brew tea or coffee with the built-in infuser, control the temperature to perfection, and serve effortlessly with the convenient spigot. Stylish glass design, perfect for home or office. Hot or cold drinks made simple. Cook perfect boba, every time with the WantJoin 12L boba cooker. Designed for commercial use, this 1850W machine quickly prepares tapioca pearls with consistent results. Ideal for milk tea shops, restaurants, and dessert stores. Powerful, efficient, and built for high-demand beverage service. Bake fresh bread at home with the Naretva 20 in 1 bread maker. Featuring a 2 lb capacity, dual heaters for even baking, and a non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. With a 15-hour timer, keep warm function, and low-noise design, it's perfect for effortless, delicious homemade bread every day. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3 in 1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in 1 convenient station. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3 in 1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Experience cafe-quality coffee at home with the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3 in 1 ES601. This all-in-one machine brews espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew, featuring an integrated grinder, milk frother, assisted tamper, and built-in accessory storage. Sleek stainless steel design meets convenience, making every cup rich, smooth, and perfectly crafted. Slice like a pitmaster with the Cutlux 12 brisket knife. Crafted from razor-sharp German steel, it delivers smooth, precise cuts for meat and barbecue. The ergonomic full-tang handle ensures comfort and control, while the included sheath keeps it protected. Perfect for grilling enthusiasts and serious cooks. Take your cocktails to the next level with the Cocktail Bubble Smoke Gun Kit, Aroma Blaster 2. Featuring 5 flavor aroma pods and edible bubbles, it creates a stunning visual and aromatic experience for drinks. Perfect for bars, parties, or home use, and an ideal gift for any cocktail lover. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks every day with this 4-in-1 cold press juicer. Featuring a 6.5-inch extra-large chute and a powerful AC motor, it juices whole fruits and vegetables with ease. Make fresh juice, nut milk, and sorbet, all with easy cleanup and a spacious 120-ounce capacity. Get yours today for just $80. Slice and shred in seconds with the Presto Salad Shooter Electric Slicer/Shredder. From cheese and vegetables to fruits and nuts, it makes meal prep quick, easy, and mess-free. Just point and shoot ingredients exactly where you need them. Save time in the kitchen and get yours today for just $46. Cook perfect rice every time with the Rice Robot Rice Cooker. It prepares up to 8 cups of fluffy rice, features a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot, and includes a stainless steel steamer tray for healthy veggies and more. Fast, convenient, and perfect for family meals. Grind with precision using the Secura Electric Coffee Spice Grinder. Featuring 2 removable stainless steel bowls and dedicated blades for coffee beans and spices, it delivers fresh flavor in seconds. Easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for every kitchen. Upgrade your daily routine for just $40. Enjoy fresh citrus juice with zero effort using the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. Just press one button and let it squeeze oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits automatically. Its powerful, mess-free design is easy to clean and perfect for everyday use. Bring cafe-quality juice to your kitchen for just $120.